Today we are going to see about the wave, which is beyond the human hearing range. It's nothing but ultrasonic sound waves. What does your mind say when you hearing terms ultrasonic wave? Not getting anything? No issues. This for this query you will have many things to say at the end of this video. Till then, freeze your mind. In the early 19th century, Francis invented counter whistle, an adjustable whistle which produced ultrasonic sound to demonstrate that animals could have sound above the hearing range of humans. Later on, these techniques were employed to detect submarines, particularly ultrasonic sound waves were first tested in 1912 for the research of Titanic, which were unsuccessful. After 1912, prior to World War I, the conception of ultrasonic sound waves was started for the purpose of war. That's true for submarine ships to sending sound waves through and absorb the returning echo to characterize to submerged object. But how to detect the returning echoes from the submarines? It can be done means of sonar. In sonar, using the echo surrounding concept, an ultrasound wave trigger is placed in the hulls of ships and a CAO is connected for monitoring time at which initially for monitoring time which in the initially wait is passed and echo signal echoes received, which is monitoration that duration and velocity water can be traced. This sonar technique is used to measure the depth of the sea and also locate underwater objects like shipwreck, sea rock, and icebergs. In later years, ultrasonic sound waves are used in the field of medicine and industries sectors. The guarding industries we are aware how manufacturing process of mechanical objects occur, but nobody aware to fraud during manufacturing. So how about testing the object to detect flaws during the process which are not visible to the naked eye? In addition of these flaws, it also checks the quality of object using ultrasonic sound waves. The flaws and the qualities of object could be checked by means of its refractive property. Human hearing capacity range from 20,000 Hz, but ultrasonic sound waves have a frequency more than 20,000 Hz. Since it's beyond the human audible range, it turned as ultrasonic sound wave which travel with the speed of 330 meters per second. Now we can see how the flow are being detected by ultrasonic sound waves. For detecting the flaws in the mantle, ultrasonic sound waves are passed through the mantle so that it gets reflected from transducer. By the time taken by reflected beam to induce a transducer, the flaws in the material can be found, and after the test, the mantle are ready to use. In addition to industry sectors, ultrasound waves are also used in the field of medicine to investigate the human body. Everyone would be aware of diagnostic medical imaging technique known as ultrasonography, which is used to study the development of features during pregnancy. We also know that sound waves travel both in the high pressure and low pressure cycles, which led to the development of cavitation. For instance, when sound waves pass through the pressure cycles, it forms vacuum bubbles in the water which at a certain point lose a tendency to absorb additional. This makes the bubble to burst, and this phase is called as cavitation. That's all about ultrasonic sound waves.